Hey YouTube, welcome back. And, alright, so, we've got some good news and some bad news. 2 good news and 1 bad news. Sorry, those are the neighbor's dogs. I don't know what the hell they're doing to them over there, but it's been like that for a little while now. But, what the? Jesus Christ. Come on, dude. Alright. So, first good news. This came in the mail. It was this is obviously my race pipe, my F2 thruster. And this is a 125 SSR or Apollo pit bike muffler. And I got it from the mail. It was $20, $30 with shipping. It took like 2 weeks to ship. Not super bad from Thailand. But it's aluminum, it works great. This pipe used to be about 140 decibels without it, which is ridiculously loud. And my neighbors absolutely hated me. They still hate me if I put that pipe on and take the end cap off. But with this, now it's about, it sounds like this. It's probably about 195 to 100 decibels, which is really not that bad. Like that's all I'm gonna say about it. It's not that bad. And it sounds really, really good. But some decent, weird, bad, whatever you want to call it news. As you probably know by the title, I got chased by a cop. I wouldn't say chased, but more like followed. And at the time I didn't really give a crap because I'm like, oh, it's just a cop, and my engine hadn't warmed up yet. The exhaust hadn't warmed up yet. It was about 2 blocks from my house. He was still spitting and sputtering, trying to get going, so I turned off the fuel. He pulled me over, and he said, first of all, before I tell you what he said, I think there's a lot of cops out today, because it's the 3rd of July, and it's 4th of July weekend, or week, whatever you want to call it. I'm confused. But, yeah, that's why there's cops out. It's because they're looking for drunks. They're all drinking, partying. That'll be me tomorrow, but, you know. That's why they're out. And this cop pulled me over, said, "What are you doing?" Asked me for my driver's license, and I said I didn't have one. I'm just driving this home from my grandfather's house to my house. Luckily, since the spark plug died, I was coming home anyway, because that was the problem. My plug fouled on me, and I'll show you the plug over here. This piece of crap took a crap on me. So, R.I.P. spark plug. Da, da, da. Or not. But, bought a new one. Works now. Sounds good. Yeah. So that, got chased by a cop. So he said, alright. So where did I leave off? I left off at, yeah. So he asked me for my driver's license. I said I didn't have one. And he's like, well, why are you driving this? It's a motorized vehicle. And I said, I'm just driving it from my grandfather's house back to my house to fix it. And I don't use it on the road. It's specifically an off-road race bike. And he fell for it. He said, alright, I'm going to follow you home to make sure you're not going anywhere. He did. As soon as I pulled in my driveway, waved at me and left. So that was one of the nicer cops that I've ran into. Nicer. He was still kind of a dick at first, but anyway, he was nice. This is the new project bike. It's my grandfather's old Sun Cruiser. Used to have fenders and a rack on there, but it was hard to. Alright, so I did not want to take those off because they looked amazing on this bike. As you can tell, it doesn't have a back tire. I just changed the front one earlier today. This is the original tire that came with the bike, as you see. Yep. Sun Cruiser. There you go, Sun Cruiser. But that's the original tire. I have to put a new one on the back one over there. I'm kind of changing that right now, but I think I might wait till morning because that tire is, listen, let me say it like this. It's the cheapest one I could find at Walmart, and it's made in China. And it's a piece of crap. It's an absolute piece of crap. This is the old tire that was on it. As you can see, that's what's wrong with it. Sliced that in the tube last time I rode it, which was like a month ago. This piece of crap. Whatever you get Kenda. Kenda tires or Maxxis tires. Don't get this Bell bull crap. Look at this. It was $20 including tax, and it's a piece of crap. Just don't get them. Don't get their mountain bike tires either, because that's the trash that's on this thing for now. And I mean, I'm not saying they don't work, but they're an absolute pain in the ass to get on. They're just a pain. So spend the extra $10, $20, get Maxxis, Kenda. I was gonna put some Maxxis hookworms on here, which if you don't know what those are, they're absolutely great for cruiser bikes and motorized bikes that have a cruiser frame or road frame. Never mind, just a cruiser frame. But anyway, Maxxis hookworm. It's an amazing bike. It honestly is. This is just my little cheap helmet. Gay. Stay. Okay. So this is a new project bike. I'm going to put a Hasan 49cc 4-stroke engine lock and load kit from bikeberry.com. I'll put a link in the description for bikeberry.com. Not for the kit, but just for Bikeberry. Great site, check them out. I like gasbike.net better. All you motorized bike guys out there, you know what I'm talking about, because gas bike is just better. More expensive, yes. Cheap, better quality, yes. So I'm gonna put one of those kits on there. Holy crap, these freaking neighbors. That guy back there is nice. He's in a wheelchair. He's really nice. But the guy in back of him they're obviously on EBT, which is food stamp card. Their parents are fat, and they have about 7 kids that sometimes jump his fence and my fence and roam around my property. And I have to kick them off. So, yeah, I'm kind of pissed off at them. I always have been for the last 2 years, but money stealing never mind. Money stealing freaks. But this is the project bike. Nice bike. It was a $600 bike about 20 years ago. It was nice quality. It still is, but it needs a few things done to it. Like I said, I'm changing the tire. I put the link in the description. One more thing of good news, and then I'll tell you the bad news. Good news. Tomorrow's 4th of July. Have a good, safe holiday. Don't drink too much. Yeah. So, this bike here. I was filming a video yesterday. I don't know, I think it was on this bike, the Mongoose. Oh, by the way, I found a free helmet. Found this little baby lying on the side of the road. It's a nice, built, same as mine, built brand. It's a nice helmet. Had a visor on it, but I took it off because it was all cracked up, but I'm not sure what happened with that thing, but hey, it works. It fits my cousin and my friend John. Doesn't fit me because I have an extra large motocross helmet. This is a small or medium, I believe. Not sure, but free helmet's a free helmet. This thing. Filming a video yesterday on the road bike, and I look over, and oh, that kind of sucks. My tire's flat. So I look over. My front tire's flat. It's always had this dry rot that I've showed you before, but it doesn't like to focus on it. Focus. Alright, you can kind of see it. It's in there. But it was flat. I just pumped it up literally 5 minutes ago, and I'm gonna leave it overnight and see if it goes flat again. I'm sure it will. My last person who rented or owned this property right here, they had like a million sheds that they took down, and they just left the nails lying all over the place. So, can you hear that? Can you hear those kids? If you can, I hope you're as pissed off as I am. Anyway, that's why that bike got a flat tire. That is why the Giant back there that I never ride had a flat tire. You forgot the Boulder 500 Giant? It used to be a really nice woman's mountain bike, but oh my god, now the cops are coming. Cops are after me again. But, anyway, it used to be a real nice bike. Still is. Still rides great. I more use it for road bike because, I like it better for road. But, anyway, project bike. Perfect. Minty. Got that sucker over there looking pretty. She's looking fairly good. She's got some battle scars, but all in all, great bike. We'll see if that tire goes flat. Jesus Christ. We'll see if the tire goes flat. And, yeah, that's about it. 2 quads over here. Over here looking nice. They still run up, start real good. I'm just going to start the Mountaineer. I don't want to climb over to the Suzuki, but still starts good. I'll show you. First time. Alright, if you guys are gonna make me, I'll come over here to the Suzuki and start it up too. Alright, let's try this one on. Half tank of fuel. Alright. On. Headlights are on. Low, high, low, high. Not really much of a difference. But let's see if this one runs. Alright, they both run. These 2 suckers we're taking out in the woods tomorrow. I'll take my bike if the tire isn't flat in the morning. If not, woohoo, I get to spend another $60 to $100 on repairs. I'm gonna get a new fuel petcock because it leaks. It's leaking oil from the Kickstarter still after I fix that. So, take that into the shop, get a new tire or a new tube, probably a new tire also because it's trashed. Alright, I'm trying to climb over these things with freaking slippers on. Not really slippers, but more sandals. Ugh. Anyway, that leaks, as you can see, all the orange residue. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's like where the paint rubbed off or something, but it's not rust, and it's not oil, because it's an oil injected, because the oil box is right there. I didn't figure out, though, this is missing a plastic. It's supposed to have a round plastic right here that covers that and says 100. If I could find one on eBay, I'll buy it, but it's fine how it is till then. Yeah, this is over here looking minty. Yes, new grips on it. This one's already kind of screwed, but they'll last. Okay. If there's anything you guys want to know for the video tomorrow or anything, put it down in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.